Damn, look at the tide, it's high. Really windy.
Yeah,
Yep, tree down. Big old pine tree. Whoa. That's a big tree.
I don't know if this is in a town or private.
That's private. Private tree.
That costs some money.
Yeah. Tree down. We got some wave action.
I can't believe how close that fucking
Whoa.
and it's stopping us.
The water is high.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Look over there.
Mother Nature's not fucking around. I hate to see down here.
I've seen waves wash right over those houses.
I believe it.
Uh-huh.
I think it's going to happen today.
It's gonna happen today.
It may.
Washing down between houses.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, we got some wave action. I think it's gonna be a bit windy today, and it's high tide right now.
Here comes a good one.
Whoa.
Watch it. Holy shit.
Mother Nature's very, very
She's
mad.
pissed. You want to dump in my ocean?
Yeah. The Amazon ocean is pushing all this gaga out to the oceans. And the oceans get mad. That was a good wave. Whoa. Well, here comes a good one.
Here comes one. Holy Christ. Wow.
Yep. Ugh. It got me. Oh, man. I got wet. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh,